Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of creative possibilities with our blank banners, a 3-pack of large, customizable banners perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. These banners, measuring an impressive 3.3 by 6 feet, offer a large blank canvas for your unique designs, making them ideal for sublimation printing and transforming any space with personalized decor. Crafted from durable Oxford polyester, these banners promise long-lasting use, ensuring they stand up to the demands of both business and office environments. The easy hang design, complete with convenient hanging ropes, allows for quick and simple setup, saving you time and effort whether you're a busy professional, an event planner, or a DIY enthusiast. Our versatile banners are perfect for walls, business signs, offices, and outdoor events, adapting seamlessly to any occasion or location. With ample space for your creative ideas, these banners are perfect for making a statement with large, impactful designs. Elevate your advertising and decor projects with our premium blank banners and let your creativity shine. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.